What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I have a super awesome life hack for those of you that are looking into getting one of the vanity mirrors from Impressions but do not want to spend the expensive price tag that comes along with it. So all you will need to do is purchase two items, both of which you can find on Amazon, and I will link down below. I am in the UK currently, so I purchased from Amazon UK, but I will also link to the US as well so that you are able to find the items that work best for you and are able to be shipped to you. All you'll need to purchase is a mirror of your choice. I chose this one. It is a trifold, fully wooden mirror. It is of really good quality, and I believe it was only £39 about, so it was a little over $40, but it was definitely worth it. I can say I am absolutely in love with it, and I also purchased these vanity lights as well that are super easy to apply and require absolutely no electrician experience whatsoever. So it is super easy. You'll have this project done in less than 10 minutes. So if you are interested in learning how to do this awesome DIY hack in under $100, then let's get started. Alright, so here is my little setup that I've got here by my mirror and my box of lights that I'm about to show you. So it is by Waneway. We've got the LED vanity light kit. It has a 3-color setting, and I've already opened it, so excuse the mess of the box. Here is the bulb, and then on the back you can just peel it off and stick it right on the mirror. And here is the remote as well that controls the light settings. I have it upside down, so let me just flip that around for you. And the power is on the bottom, controls a plus and minus of light, and then the 3 settings on the top as well. And we will get right back to those after we use these 3 products. We are going to measure and mark where we want our lights to go. If you have a mirror like mine, measure across to make sure everything is even, and then as well on the top so you can tell that everything is evenly spaced all the way around. It is really important to make sure that you have your light spaced evenly so that the lighting on your face is not going to be uneven and that you won't have shadows in odd places and light in other places. So just lightly mark those. It really doesn't matter because you're going to be covering them up anyway. I went ahead and set them out so that I could see where each individual light came in. I've got the remote. Also make sure to have the plug next to the socket where it will be plugged in. We're going to go ahead and apply those lights onto the mirror with one hand. We're going to try anyway, and we're going to put that sticky part right on the first dot that we made right there on the side, and make sure to press at the base. Do not press on the bulb because it will break. It is plastic, and once one of these go out, they all go out. So that is really super important to remember as well. I'm going to go ahead and go through this super quickly because once you've seen it done once, you know how to do it the rest. I know that you are noticing the wire starting to stick up throughout the rest of these. Do not worry because we are about to fix them and you won't even be able to notice that they're even there. This is what makes the project super easy and super cheap whenever you can do little hacks like this, and I am all about saving that money. So these are a great alternative to the Vanity Impressions mirrors that I mentioned earlier. The price tag on those is outrageous, and I'm just not in a position right now to be able to buy one of those, especially since I'm temporarily living in the UK. Okay, so here's what it looks like right after I'm done. I know I mentioned again those wires. We're going to take those and we're going to tuck it to where it looks just like that, so you can hardly even tell that they're even there. And all you're going to need to do that is Scotch tape. Super easy, super cheap. We're going to take that, and we taped it right back there. It stays. It may be a little ratchet at the back, but we did that all the way around and it was just fine. So as long as you don't mind the little wire showing, it doesn't matter. And here is the finished product. I'm in love. It works so great for everything, including a great selfie. Alright, you guys, so that is everything that I have for you for this little DIY vanity mirror tutorial. If you have any questions about the products or anything about the tutorial at all, feel free to drop a comment down below. And if you are going to be doing this project, also drop a comment and let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you thought it was great. And I am looking forward to seeing you in my next videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye!